Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products out there. Today, we're looking at something that's taken the art of cocktail making to the next level. If you're a fan of premium cocktails but don't want to spend hours mixing and measuring, then the Bartesian The Classic Collection Favorites Cocktail Mixer Capsules is the perfect solution for you. This product is hands down one of the best Bartesian Premium products, designed to give you bar-quality drinks from the comfort of your home, and in seconds. Let's take a closer look at this awesome product. First off, it includes a variety pack of 18 capsules, each packed with carefully measured ingredients. The variety pack features 6 fan-favorite cocktail flavors, including Cosmopolitan, Old-Fashioned, Whiskey Sour, Margarita, Espresso Martini, and Uptown Rocks. These are some of the most popular and refreshing cocktails you can enjoy at home. And with the Bartesian capsule system, you don't need to worry about buying all the different ingredients and mixing them yourself. One of the standout features of these capsules is the craftsmanship behind them. Bartesian has worked with master mixologists to develop each capsule, ensuring that the balance of flavor and complexity is perfect. It's a seamless experience. All you need to do is insert a capsule into the Bartesian Premium cocktail maker, select your preferred drink strength, and let the machine do all the hard work. Whether you want a mocktail, a light drink, or a stronger concoction, it's all up to you. What's more, these capsules are freshness dated, so you'll always get the best, most flavorful drinks every time. The ingredients in the capsules are real juice concentrates, bitters, and extracts, no artificial flavors here. And the best part is, the capsules don't contain any alcohol, meaning you can tailor your drink to your taste and even use it for non-alcoholic beverages when desired. Gone are the days of cluttering your kitchen with a million bottles and measuring spoons. With Bartesian, all you need is the capsule, the machine, and a glass, and you're ready to enjoy your favorite cocktails in no time. Plus, Bartesian offers a huge range of drink options, with seasonal and trending flavors, so you'll never run out of exciting new drinks to try. In conclusion, if you're someone who loves cocktails but hates the hassle, the Bartesian The Classic Collection Favorites Cocktail Mixer Capsules is the ultimate solution. Perfectly crafted, easy to use, and with a wide range of flavors, it'll elevate your cocktail game to a whole new level. So, grab your Bartesian Premium cocktail maker, and get ready to enjoy the perfect drink every time. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.